Hey there, think about this for a second. Every single day, you probably open up one specific app to get online. It's how you see the news, watch videos, connect with people. It's your window to the whole world. But what is that tool exactly? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain on the web browser, the piece of magic that makes the entire internet you know and love possible.
I mean, really think about it. When you want to look something up or check your email, what's the very first icon you click on your computer or your phone? That little circle or symbol. That's your personal portal to the internet, and that's exactly what we're going to break down today.
Okay, let's try an analogy to make this super simple. Imagine the internet is this giant, sprawling world. It could be a massive city with billions of different buildings to visit, or maybe it's like a library that holds pretty much all of human knowledge. It's this incredible place with anything you could ever imagine inside.
So, you have this amazing world out there, but how do you get in? You can't just walk in. You need a special key, or better yet, a special door. And that door? That's your web browser. It's the one essential tool that unlocks the internet and lets you step inside to explore everything it has to offer.
All right, so analogies are great, but what are we really talking about here? What is a web browser technically? You know, the concept is actually way more straightforward than it sounds, so let's get a clear definition.
At its very core, a web browser is just a free app or a program that lives on your computer or phone. Its whole job, its entire purpose, is to find, grab, and then show you websites. The name itself is a pretty good hint, right? It lets you browse the World Wide Web. It's just a tool for looking around the internet.
So how does it pull this off so fast? Well, it's really just a simple three-step dance. First, you give it an address. You type in something like google.com. Second, the browser zips off like a super-fast messenger to find the exact computer or server where that website lives. And finally, it grabs all the code from that site and instantly translates it into the text, the images, and the videos that you see on your screen. It happens in the blink of an eye.
Okay, so now that we know what a browser is, let's meet the main players. While there are a bunch of different browsers out there, the game is really dominated by three major choices. I guarantee you've seen their logos before. First up, we've got Google Chrome. This one's the king of the jungle, the most popular browser in the entire world. And a big reason for that is how perfectly it works with everything else Google, like your Gmail, your Google Drive, and of course Google Search. People love it because it's fast and just really simple to use.
Next is Mozilla Firefox. Now, Firefox is a little different. It's built by a nonprofit organization, and their whole mission is about protecting you and your privacy. It comes packed with these really powerful built-in tools that automatically block online trackers. You know, those sneaky bits of code that make ads follow you around everywhere. Firefox helps put a stop to that. And rounding out our top three is Microsoft Edge. If you're using a Windows computer, this is the browser that came installed on it. It's Microsoft's modern, sleek replacement for the old Internet Explorer. What's really interesting is that under the hood, it's now built using the same technology as Google Chrome, which means it's super fast, works with every website, and fits perfectly into the Windows system.
So you've got these three heavy hitters: Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. The big question is, which one is the best? Well, the truth is, the best choice really comes down to what's most important to you. Let's break down their key differences so you can figure it out. Let's put them head to head. First off, are they fast? Yep, all three are super speedy. Are they safe? Absolutely. They all take security very seriously. But the real difference where you'll make your choice is in that "what is special" column. Chrome's superpower is how it connects to your Google account. All your bookmarks and passwords just sync up everywhere. Firefox, on the other hand, is all about that extra layer of security. It gives you the strongest privacy protection right out of the box. And Edge, since it's made for Windows, is incredibly efficient, which often means you'll get better battery life on your laptop.
So, to make it super easy, just ask yourself a few questions. Do you basically live inside Gmail and Google Drive all day? Then Chrome is probably going to feel like home. Is protecting your privacy your number one concern? Then you should definitely give Firefox a try. Or are you using a Windows laptop and you're always trying to squeeze out a little more battery power? Edge was literally designed for you.
And there you have it. You now know the fundamentals, what a browser is, who the big players are, and most importantly, how to pick the one that's perfect for you. You're all set to start exploring the internet on your own terms.
I want you to think of your browser like your car for the internet superhighway. You are the one in the driver's seat. You get to pick the destination, and you also get to choose whether you want to drive a speedy sports car, a safe and sturdy SUV, or an efficient electric vehicle. It's your personal ride.
And this right here is the most important thing to remember.
There is no single best browser for everyone. There's only the one that works best for you. It's all about finding the tool that just feels right for what you need to do.
So with that door to the internet now wide open, and with you in the driver's seat of your chosen vehicle, there's really only one question left to ask. What are you going to explore first? The choice is all yours. Happy browsing.